So now after we finish the like and dislike, we need also to add something like this. So we'll have the channel information and the user can subscribe or unsubscribe. So let's build the markup now in this video, and then we can add the functionality. So first of all, if we will need one Livewire component, PHP artisan make Livewire component. This will be under channel. It will be channel information. We can call it channel info, because we need to add it inside the watch, because the main functionality is inside the watch.video. So if you remember, we had one row for that like and dislike, and we have another row also. We kept it empty. In this row we will add this Livewire component using that the same format we do it here. So let me copy this one, and then this will be under channel folder, and then channel-info, and I want to send channel. I will receive it in the class by doing there is a relationship between the video belongs to a channel, so we can say like this. So I'll send the channel there, and then inside the class that we just created, so inside Livewire we'll go to the class channel, and then this is channel info. I'm going to receive this as public, as we always do that, public, and then channel, and inside that we'll create one mount method, and we're gonna receive the channel as channel model, and then we're gonna reset it, or just assign the channel to the channel I'm receiving. Okay, so that's fine. Now before that let's extend this layout before we forget. Okay, as we say, extends layouts.app, and then should be fine. Now let's go to the view for this class information. Let's build our markup here. So first thing for this, what we need to do is just basically build few divs with flex, of course, because it'll be, if you remember, here we have some image and some text on the left, and then the button on the right. So we'll do that. Okay, so we have one big div for everything, which is the button and the logo for the channel. So I'll make dflex, of course, align items item center. We have done this few times. Justify content between, so there'll be a side. This is the main one, and inside then we have two divs. Okay, one for the button will go here, and one for the information. So again, this will be flex, because if you remember here we have this one side by side, so I need also to build it as dflex, and then align items center. First of all, I have the image, and from where I will get the image source, it will be from asset, then images for the channel. If you remember, you can go back and see where you store this one, and then channel image. This is the name, and I want to put one class called rounded circle. This is from Bootstrap, which is make the picture circle, and then I'll have one div for the text. One will be, because I want to keep margin, for example, margin L left to be 2, so it'll be a side, and H4. Channel name, and I have one paragraph with the class. Let me just see this one. Paragraph with the class text, gray text, our class, our color class, and then text small from Bootstrap. This will be, here will be 0 whatever 100 1000 subscribers. This way we will build a model or a function to get this information. Let's go and see how this will look now. If I go here and refresh, see here, so it is there. Maybe you can put some margin as well on the top, margin to 5 between this one and this one. So we'll go to the class, and here we can say class margin y, top and down 5. Go back and refresh, and now we have the screen here and have the button from the other side. So let's go. What we need to do here also is build the button. So for the button, it will be very simple. Also we'll have button, and inside the button, what we need to add, let's make it as div, or yeah, let's make it as button. Then class will be btn large. Then I'll put also text to uppercase. Again, this is bootstrap class, and we'll put btn secondary color now for now. Then we say subscribe. Of course, this text will change to be subscribe or subscribe based on the status. So this is the button here. When I click on it, then we should create subscribe or unsubscribe. So I think the markup looks fine so far. So we'll add the functionality going starting from the next video.